This Seadasyoon 6-tier mobile storage cart is a real space saver. It's like a vertical file cabinet for your narrow nooks. This slim cart slides easily into tight spots. It measures just 6 inches wide. Think of it as a quiet, helpful butler. It offers 6 tiers of storage. Each tier is a sturdy metal wire basket. These baskets hold many items. Use it in the kitchen for spices. It's also great in the bathroom for toiletries. Or try it in the office for supplies. Furthermore, it works well in the laundry room. Its compact design is a major plus. This cart makes small spaces work harder. The Seadasyoon 6-tier mobile storage truly rolls with the punches. It features smooth gliding wheels. Moving it around is simple. The included handle makes steering easy. It feels robust and well made. Moreover, assembly is straightforward. You won't need many tools. The metal wire construction is durable. It won't rust easily. Therefore, it's perfect for damp environments. This cart helps declutter your home. It brings order to chaos. You'll wonder how you lived without it. Overall, the Seadasyoon 6-tier mobile storage is a smart buy. It maximizes unused vertical space. Its narrow profile is ideal. The 6 tiers offer ample storage. Plus, it's very mobile. This makes cleaning simple. It's a versatile storage solution. And it's also a great value. Many users will find it helpful. Consequently, it earns a high recommendation. This cart is a small hero. It conquers clutter effectively. Pros: game changer for tight kitchen spaces, life-changing for organization, holds everything. Perfectly adequate for pantry items, wheels give enough resistance to keep it stable, absolutely. 100% recommend. Solid purchase for the price, fits in the space well, holds things reasonably. Great cart for narrow space, simple to assemble, exceeded expectations, seems sturdy, holds a ton of supplies, perfect to fill space, great use of space, works great in practicality, sturdy. And a lot of storage space, easy to put together, works great for tight spaces, wheel lock works good, looks great, decent and functional. Cons: assembly needs 2 people, shelves flex under weight, wheels aren't buttery smooth, not for super heavy items, a little wobbly and top heavy, not a great sturdy shelf. Features: slim design, 6-tier storage, with handle 6-inch width, mobile shelving unit, has wheels. Metal wire rack, includes baskets, for kitchen, bathroom, office, fits narrow spaces. This is a slim 6-tier rolling cart with a handle. Perfect for tight spots. It's only 6 inches wide, making it great for narrow spaces in your kitchen, bathroom, office, or laundry room. The cart is made of metal wire and comes with baskets, so you can easily store and move things around thanks to its wheels. This 6-tier slim rolling cart is a great solution for organizing narrow spaces in your kitchen, bathroom, office, or laundry room. It's easy to put together and holds a lot of items, making it a game changer for tight spots. The wheels make it easy to move but also offer enough resistance to keep it stable. While it's sturdy enough for most pantry items and supplies, it's not designed for very heavy objects and might wobble a bit if it's top heavy. Overall, it's a solid, practical, and highly recommended purchase for its price.